A great egret wades through the Grand Calumet River, looking for fish. An incredibly patient hunter with a whisper-quiet, delicate step, this striking bird can seem out of place in a city like East Chicago. Despite the ever-present human activity, the great egret and many other species can find respite in Roxana Marsh. But not all of them should be there. Phragmites, a highly invasive grass that can shoot over 12 feet high in a single season, quickly choking out any of the native species that are unfortunate enough to be nearby. Its only real competition? Other invasive plants, like cattails. Left unchecked, these non-native plants overtake entire ecosystems, displacing many of the species that used to call these wetlands home. This is a theme all too common along the Grand Calumet River. The ecosystem at Roxana Marsh, often called Roxana Pond, was weakened by changing water levels and contaminated sediments in the Grand Cal, allowing it to become a foothold for weedy plants like Phragmites. That is, until remediation began in 2011. Dredging, sand capping, targeted herbicide treatments, replanting native plants. Years of hard work from multiple organizations helped to bring Roxana Marsh back to its former glory. What used to be an invasive plant monoculture brimming with contaminated sediments has been transformed into an oasis for native plants and wildlife. Despite being sandwiched between toll roads, industry, and various urban neighborhoods, conservation efforts ensured that Roxana Marsh can still be home for a variety of species. Thanks to this hard work, the great egret still has somewhere to find its next meal.